Hello everyone, my name is Emily and today I have for you a mini session all about deep breathing. So deep breathing is really good for a variety of different things, right? It's good for reducing your stress and anxiety, kind of giving you that calm feeling. It is good for giving you that energy boost, reducing pain, but really it's just good for keeping the lungs clear and healthy. So just a short class here. We'll go through a few different techniques. And so when you're ready, just find a comfortable seated position. Any position will work, right? So I am seated up on a block, right? Just to give me that little bit of extra kind of height here, but you could sit up in a chair as well. So find your seat, sit up nice and tall, find that nice tall spine, good posture, roll the shoulders back, reach the crown of the head up towards the ceiling, and then rest your hands in your lap. So let's just take one clearing breath to start. So big breath in, let it go. So for this first breathing technique, all we're gonna do is we're gonna take a big breath in through the nose, as big a breath as you can, and then you're gonna release it out through pursed lips, nice and slow. So it'll look like this. Take a big breath in, and then out through the mouth. So we're trying to get that nice long inhale and exhale. So see if on the inhale through the nose, you can get the rib cage, the chest, the belly all to expand. And then we'll release through those pursed lips, nice and slow, right? So let's try it again. Big breath in. And then release through the mouth. Maybe we can lengthen it even more. Big breath in through the nose. Purse the lips, breathe out. So it's totally okay if right now you don't feel like you have that big breath in and out, right? That's why we're practicing. Like anything, it takes practice. So if you're feeling comfortable with that, we're gonna see if we can add onto this breath, right? So we're gonna take that same big breath in through the nose, but then at the top, we're gonna try to hold it for 3 seconds. And then again, we'll just purse our lips and slowly breathe all of the air out. So here we go. Let's take a big breath in, really fill up. And then hold it at the top for 3, 2, 1. Purse the lips, blow it out. Let's do that again. Big breath in through the nose. Hold it for 3, 2, 1. And then one last time, big breath in through the nose. Hold it at the top. 3, 2, 1, and then breathe it out. And that is it for today. So just try those few techniques, right? There are many different ways that you could practice this kind of deep breathing, but this is just one way. So give it a try, let me know how it goes, and I will see you next time. Namaste.